What is going on, everybody? We are here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for a special media preview of their new attraction, Serengeti Flyer, that opens on February 27th. Serengeti Flyer is a 105-foot swing ride that's going to swing you back and forth up to a height of 135 feet with a maximum speed of 68 miles an hour.
I am right outside the Serengeti Flyer. I am super excited. You do have to be 48 inches to ride this. They also have a test seat right outside. All right, let's test it and see if I can fit. What do you hold on to? Now I'm nervous because I don't have anything to hold on to. Let's go get on. Okay guys, they do have cubby holes, so if you do have stuff like bags and stuff, here's the area for us to put our stuff in, so at least we know that. I'm trying to figure that out. I'm sure what I'm thinking. I'll close my eyes over. You can close your eyes over. I'm scared. Oh. It's a nice breeze. I don't even know what to look at. I can't my eyes are watering. Oh, it looks like I'm crying. I am crying. You can't see.
Yeah, about that. Good?
Oh yeah. It wasn't so much free falling with the belly, like that was okay. It was just being so high up.
I'm going home now. I'm gonna let y'all know right now. Nope. I ain't never getting on that again.
Listen, Ray will never, ever get back on there.
2 seconds later.
Oh gosh, hell, no. Oh, my butt lifted all the way out the seat. Oh no. My baby is never getting on this. Oh, gosh, I can't. Oh, I think they went extra.
You did it.
Yeah, and I promise you never, ever again. You will never see me on this again. Oh, I can't even imagine at night. I think I just put holes in the seat trying to grab it so hard. All right, guys, I got on for the second time. It is fun, don't get me wrong, it's fun, but it is also very scary if you are scared of heights. I am afraid of heights, and just that level where I don't think the bar was like super snug on my hips, where my butt was lifting up, I just thought I was gonna die. I was gripping, because there's nothing to grip, there's no handles, nothing. I am putting marks in the side panel, like just trying to hold it. Views from the top are nice if you can keep your eyes open and not feel like you're gonna die. But I did see a lot of clouds, and I just think I saw some grass, but I can't tell you anything else I saw because I was so scared my eyes were shut so tight that I was crying. My little butt lifted out that seat. My heart was beating like crazy. That's it. But if you guys like thrill rides, this ride is for you. It's just not for me.
Right now we're headed towards the animal care center. There's some pastries in there, there's some water. We need to get hydrated because it's hot out here, Ray.
It's so hot out here.
Ray's already started eating. How's it taste? Amazingly enough, this tastes just like a birthday cake to me.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I like it. Yeah, I can eat this by myself. Matter of fact, for the rest of the day, this is my cake. It's gonna stay at my house.
You know what? Let's go try that bundt cake.
Oh yeah.
Let's try that one.
Oh, let's try that.
All right.
But I'm gonna sit right here while you getting that bundt cake.
All right.
I'm gonna be over here doing this.
All right.
I'm trying the lemon glazed bundt cake. Let's see if it's moist in the middle, like lemon cake should be. Can you see that? Alrighty. First bite. So there's a lemon glaze on the top, but the inside of the bundt cake needs a little hydration. It needs some good quality H2O because the flavor's there though. The flavor's good. It's very flavorful and refreshing. And you have to be a fan of lemon too, because it has a real distinct lemon taste to it. But yeah, I like that birthday cake better.
It is not birthday cake.
I'm calling it birthday cake. Going forward, I'm gonna refer to it as birthday cake.
Boy, got a new name.
It's birthday cake. I'm about to get some more of that.
If you guys have been to Busch Gardens before, you know that this used to be Sultan Sweets. This is where you come in and get all your yummy desserts and stuff before you leave. They're changing it to Coaster Coffee Company.
Ray is about to get on Iron Gwazi.
Because I'm crazy like that.
Something wrong? Something wrong?
I didn't punish myself enough today.
Serengeti Flyer was enough for one day. I don't think I'm ever getting on Iron Gwazi. You know they say you can't say never about certain things? Well, I'm saying never. Never getting on Iron Gwazi, ever. Ever. Ain't never getting on there, Ray.
I'm getting on right now. A while ago, I really don't like heights. When you are up so high, and I got in the second row from the back, it just pulls and you see them going first and then you ride after them. I saw like little black stars. So I was like, yep, I'm dying. This is it. This is my time. It was terrible.
Party is officially over in New Orleans, but Busch Gardens says, not here. We're still partying. So they're partying all the way up until March the 5th. And you can only come on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. So if you're in town, make sure you check it out. So Ray and Tim are daredevils, and they decided to get on Secret, which everybody knows on this vlog that I'm not doing. By the way, my spine and my back set up, I can't really get on Secret, but I will watch them get on.
Just got off Secret and I forgot how fun it is. It's a very smooth roller coaster. I will say it's scary when you're just hanging there, but then after that it's just smooth and it's a nice little ride. This is definitely one that I don't mind getting on. There's a real music series going on here at Busch Gardens, and right now they have like a tribute to Prince. I'm excited because you guys already know I'm a huge Prince fan. So this is a tribute to Prince. I am all for it.
Get out the heat.
All right, guys, they also have a priority meet and greet, so you can meet, not Prince, but you know, Prince friends. And they also have merchandise here for sale, which is pretty cool.
Every moment is a treasure, an experience we endure with or lose.
entire day. All right, guys, so we had a fun day here at Busch Gardens. I had a ride partner. He had me on some crazy, crazy rides that I swore I was never getting on again.
Right?
But it was a fun day, and we are done for the day.
I'm not. I'm going to eat some stuff.
Okay, he's going to go eat while I go home and recuperate because my heart is still beating very fast.
So next time we come, we're going to ride again?
The baby rides, yes.
Okay.
We're going to do that. All right, it was nice seeing you, Tim.
Yeah, it was good to see you.
Good seeing you, Tim.
Thank you.
All right, my man.
Have a good day.
So the new ride, Serengeti Flyer, over at Busch Gardens Tampa is wonderful. It is crazy. It is insane. And I ain't never getting on that again.
I did my 2. I'm good for the rest of my life.
2 and you through?
I'm done. However, that ride is fantastic.
Yes.
I think if you definitely are a thrill seeker, you are going to love it.
For sure,
you are
without
going
a
to
question.
love it.
Your adrenaline will be spiked on so many levels. Bye.